to the channel. So in today's video, we're finally installing this HKS exhaust system. As you can see, the box is a little bit mangled up from storage, but today's the day. We're going to be putting it in. But first, we're going to have to remove the old exhaust system. Part of it's already removed, like the mid section of the pipe, but we still got the whole rear section to remove. So we'll remove that, and then we'll get to putting this in. Let's get to work. Alright guys, so for disconnecting this exhaust, it'll be similar to installing the new one, is we're going to have to undo these bolts here, which will undo this curve here, and then both pieces can be completely removed. As you can see, it's pretty loose right now, so all we have to do is disconnect that one. So I'm going to get some liquid wrench or some PB Blaster. We're going to spray that and let it soak for a little bit so that it softens it up, and the penetrating lube will allow it to be removed a little bit easier. And that snapped off. Alright, with that done, all we have to do is dismount the rubber bushing right here and another rubber bushing on the other side right about there. And then we're good. Alright guys, here is the whole exhaust system completely taken out. That was a pain with the rusted bolts and all that, but it is completely out now. Now we can install this HKS. Alright guys, here's all the HKS exhaust stuff laid out. It came with a whole bunch of hardware which I dumped out. It comes with a couple lock washers. I guess there's 4 lock washers and 4 bolts, so I'm assuming it goes onto here. And then there's a whole bunch of washers on here that I guess we're supposed to use for it. As per the user guide, it basically doesn't tell you what for what and how to install this. It just basically goes over saying torque it to OEM spec. So OEM spec for the exhaust is not very tight, the bolts, usually about 16 to 25 foot-pounds only. So we will go with that, as well as because I don't want these things to continually seize, just like the old exhaust stuff, I'm going to apply some anti-seize on here, some copper anti-seize, so that, you know, if we have to remove this in the future, it will be a lot easier. So let's get to applying the copper anti-seize, and then we'll start piecing it all together. I think we're supposed to install the rear first and then move our way up. So we'll start off with the rear and we'll replace, I guess I have a bunch of new bushings as well, the exhaust hanger, so we'll probably put some new exhaust hanger bushings depending on the condition of the old ones, because I think I only have 4 new ones and there's about 5 of the old ones that we need. Well, 5 on the old exhaust system, so we will see. Drop the rear control arm. Seems like that's the only way for this to kind of fit in there. But I don't want to jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't want to miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. torque down. All right, there's the exhaust all fully installed. We'll fire it up in a sec. All right, now to unwrap this thing. Looking so good. Definitely sounds quieter than the Yonaka. Alright guys, the HKS exhaust is fully installed now with my custom catalytic converter where it's clocked correctly. There is a little bit of a rattle on the passenger side around this corner here where the pipe bolts up to the muffler. Is rubbing against the heat shield because the bolt, I guess, is just sticking out a little bit much and it's touching the heat shield a little bit. I tried to bend it back a little bit, but it's not far enough, so I might have to cut away a little bit of the heat shield or bend and fold it right back. So we'll have to fix that because it does get a little bit annoying when it does rattle. Anyways, aside from that, everything is running good. We're B-swapped and we've got the HKS exhaust installed. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.